Welcome to INFiLED booth at ISE. My name is Andreas and I'm responsible for sales in Europe. I want to talk a little bit about our rental products. INFiLED is very big in the rental market. We've been in this market since our founding long time ago, and right now here, for instance, is a product that we are showing. That's a Titan X. It's made for events. You can set up a screen very rapidly. It's very big. You have big cabinets with 120 by 120. These are specially designed, so they are very good against the wind, because the wind can blow through, and you do not have to take them away, because they are very good made for that market. So the rigging and construction and the ladders, everything is behind. It's included in the cabinets already. We have a full range of products for the rental market. You can also see under the ceiling here in our booth, you can see our air mesh product that's also used heavily in the rental market. And we have many more products here. And if you need any more information, visit us at infiled.com.